Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll guide you on enabling developer mode on your Huawei smartphone. So, let's get started. Firstly, find and open Settings on your Huawei smartphone. Then, in the Settings, scroll down to the bottom and tap on About Device or About Phone, depending on your model. In the About Device menu, find Build Number and tap it 7 times, or until the message "You are now a developer" or "You are already a developer" is displayed. This will turn on developer mode. Then, to find the developer mode in the settings, scroll down to find System and Updates and tap on it. Within System and Updates, scroll down to the bottom, and here you will see the developer mode. Just tap on it to access it. And there you have it! You successfully enabled developer mode on your Huawei phone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.